Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing IntelliMaint CMMS software. Before starting an inspection or preventive maintenance task, you can either create your own checklist or use one of IntelliMaint's ready-made templates. Use IntelliMaint default checklist. Create your custom checklist. Start an inspection. Once your checklist form is ready, you can begin the inspection process. Choose the asset to be inspected from your asset list. Select the location. Assign inspector. Select the inspector's name from your team list. Choose your checklist. Begin inspection. Follow the checklist step by step. Mark each item as good, repair, replace, or not applicable. Mark each item as pass, fail, or not applicable. Mark each item as yes, no, or not applicable. And a lot of checklist items. Finish inspection by set asset overall condition, maintenance priority, and report breakdown if required. Set your signature. Submitting and reviewing inspection results. Now inspection created successfully, and you can view inspection PDF report. Create corrective action for faults. If any issues are found during an inspection, you can immediately create a corrective action to ensure they're resolved quickly. Select Create Corrective Action from the options. Issue description. Briefly explain the fault. You will choose either it fixed, not fixed, or not applicable. After that, select condition of asset is satisfactory. Mechanic name and signature. Finish the corrective action. Finally, view inspection PDF report after finishing corrective action. Thank you for using IntelliMaint CMMS. We're committed to helping you simplify maintenance, improve asset reliability, and save time.